All right, you can see that we're going to look at this car right here, clicking on it. This is a local dealer. This vehicle came from us. And when I go in here, you're going to notice I checked the Carfax on it. On my appraisal, I want to see exactly what's been done to this car. And this car has had the 20, 30, and 40,000 mile services done at our store. Here I'm copying in the VIN, set to go. And check the miles, 31,409. We've done that. We're going to bounce back here, enter that in, X out of this box. So notice here, Andrew looked at this car in February, so I'm going to reappraise it, put the miles in. I'm going to up it to 32,000. All right. So here I double check Carfax. I want to make sure the work's been done. You'll notice this. I'll expand that window. Go down 10K. And you're going to see the 20K, then the 30K. I like this car. All right. It's just that the dealer wants $41,000 for the car, and that's too much money. So I'm not ruling it out. We could drive over and pick it up from them if we bought the car, but I'm going to still alter certification. I'm going to put in an auction buy fee and leave the rest where it is. I shut that off, and if we look at this, they're wanting me to aim from 0 to 88% based on the number of vehicles in the market. However, we know we could sell this car, but they're way, way high on this car. So even if I bid to 34,000 or 35,000, it's unlikely that I'll get the car. So this is how we do this. I'm still going to put it in the workbook because I want to call them and establish a relationship with them. It's a local dealer. They may end up getting one of our trays, but look at the auction, 32,742. So that's how you do that, brothers.